Chicken shawarma is one snack you'll love. It's tasty, rich, and very easy to make. Let me show you how it's done right at home. Hi everyone, and welcome to Dobby Signature, your favorite food and lifestyle site. Let's get cooking. To begin, we start by preparing the marinade for the chicken. In a blender, combine the chili, pepper, onion, ginger, oregano, salt, and oil together. Blend into a smooth paste and pour the blend into the bowl or Ziploc bag with the chicken. Leave this to marinate overnight or 2 hours before cooking the chicken. It's preferable to do this the day before grilling or cooking the chicken so the flavors can get within adequately. Place the chicken on the grilling tray and grill in the oven on both sides. Bring the chicken out of the oven and shred or chop with a knife into smaller bits. Make sure you separate the whole meat from the bone. Next, let's prepare the vegetables. Chop the cabbage, cucumber, and grate the carrots. Place the carrots, cabbage, cucumber, shredded grilled meat in a bowl. In a smaller bowl, combine the mayonnaise, ketchup, lemon, and pepper together. Then mix. Pour the mixture into the veggie meat bowl and mix everything together. Set this aside while we prepare the sausages. Heat up the oil in an empty pan and fry the sausages. Now let's assemble the chicken shawarma. Heat up the pita bread slightly in the oven and open it up. Place the inner part inside out on top of the other. Fill it with the veggie meat, mix and add the sausage in the middle. Gently fold it up and roll. Place the shawarma on the grilling pan and leave to heat up. Flip it over and let the other side heat up too. And your shawarma is ready. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Nice and yummy, isn't it? And that's how you make the tastiest homemade chicken shawarma. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.